Welcome back, children. Welcome to the virtual class. Class 1 and subject is science. So, children, take out your science textbook. Open everyone. Very good. So, children, as you know, our topic is lesson number 5 animals. Yes, in the previous video, we have started our lesson number 5 that is animals. Yes, so today's subtopic is types of animals. Yes. So what is our subtopic? Types of animals. So children, for that you have to open page number 40. Open everyone. Before that children, we will revise. What did we learn in the previous video? In the previous video, we have started our lesson number 5 that is animals. In that, we learned about types of animals. Yes. In our world, there are different types of animals. Yes. In that, we learned that there are big animals and also small animals. Big animals and small animals. We saw the examples of big animals. So, which are the big animals, children? Elephant, rhinoceros, giraffe and bear are the big animals. And also one more thing, we learned that the largest living animal is blue whale. The largest living animal is blue whale. Yes, children? So, we saw about big animals. Now, the second type is small animals. Second type is small animals. In that, we saw some examples like rabbit, mouse, cat, yes, goat, sheep. So these are the examples of small animals. These are the examples of small animals. So I hope children you are getting and you got that very well. So shall we move next? So children, as I told you, you have to open page number 40. So in the previous video children, as we have started types of animals, in that we have completed big animals. Yes. And now today we are going to learn small animals. In that small animals like insects and birds. So today we are going to learn small animals like insects and birds. There are also some types of small animals. So these are the two types of small animals. Yes, small animals have two types, that is birds and insects. Birds and insects. So move to the next. So children, like we are looking about the small animals like birds. Yes, first we will see birds. So try to read with me children. You should keep finger on the first line. Birds have two legs to walk and two wings to fly. Birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to eat. Yes? So, as we read this, I will explain you. Birds have two legs. So, children, every birds have two legs. Yes? How many legs birds have? Two legs. For walking and two wings to fly. Yes, with the leg birds can walk and with the wings birds can fly. They have a two legs and two wings. With the help of wings birds can fly in the sky. Birds do not have teeth. But birds do not have teeth. Yes. Then how can they eat children? They use their beaks to eat. Yes, they use their beak to eat. That means with the help of beak, they can eat. With the help of beak, birds can eat. Yes. So children, birds is also like a small animals. Yes. So birds have two legs for walking and two legs to fly. And birds don't have a teeth. Then how they eat? They use their beaks. Got it children? So shall we move forward? Now this one also we are looking on the same page number 40. First of all, we will read, keep your finger on the first line. Some birds are heavy and therefore they cannot fly. Yes, some birds are heavy and therefore cannot fly. They can only run and walk. For example, emu, penguin and ostrich. So children, there are some birds are there that they are heavy. Yes, they are heavy. So because of the heavy, because of the weight, they cannot fly. Yes, because of heaviness, that birds cannot fly. So they can only run. What can they uh, what can they do? They can only run and walk. They can't fly. For example, which are they? For example, emu, penguin and ostrich. These are the examples of the birds. Emu, penguin and ostrich. These are also birds and they are a heavy bird and they can't fly. They only run and walk. Yes, children? So, shall we move forward? For example, we are looking about the bird which can't fly. Even it can't fly, only run and walk. See, big, yes. See their leg, they have only two legs. Yes, they have wings also, but they cannot fly. Why? Because they are heavy. Yes. Next one, penguin. Yes. Next one is a penguin. Yes. This is also bird. Penguin is also bird. It cannot fly. Yes. It also cannot fly. Yes. Because of the heaviness. It can only walk and it can only run. Getting, children? So shall we move forward? Yes. Now first of all we will see science in context. Yes. Science in context. The largest living bird is ostrich and the smallest is the hummingbird. So children, now science in context, it means what? Your GK, more information. Yes, like there is a largest living bird and that is a ostrich. Yes, the picture is in front of you. That bird is a large bird. In all bird, that bird is the largest living bird. Yes, and there is a one smallest bird and the name of that bird is hummingbird and the name of that bird is hummingbird. So which one is the largest living bird, children? Ostrich. And which one is the smallest living bird, children? Hummingbird. Yes, largest living bird, ostrich, smallest hummingbird. Got it, children? As you can see the picture. Yes. Next one, birds like crow, parrot, pigeon can fly. Yes. So, some birds are there like crow, like parrot, like pigeon. Yes. Have you seen them? Sparrow is also there. These birds can fly. These birds can fly. Yes. So, we will see some more example. This is a crow. This bird can fly. Crow can fly. Then parrot. Have you seen parrot? Yes. So this one is a parrot. It also can fly. Pigeon. Have you seen pigeon? Pigeon also can fly. And you can add some more example like sparrow. Have you seen sparrow? It also can fly. So children, this was the examples of the birds that can fly. Some birds like dove, swan and pelican can swim. Children, there is a one word S-O-M-E. Yes children, there is a S-O-M-E. Some is there. Yes, some birds like dove, swan and pelican can swim. Yes, duck, it swim in water. Yes, some birds can fly, some birds can swim in the water. So the birds which swim in the waters are dove. Yes, next one, swan. Yes, this one also we can see in water. They swim in the water. Yes, then pelican. Are you looking the color of that two birds? Yes, they are white. Yes, and see a swan. See the difference between their beak. Yes, swan has a beak, but pelican has also beak, but long beak. Something is different in their beak. Yes, that is a yes. So these two birds that swim in the water. Yes, children, I hope you are getting properly. So children, what did we learn in that video? We learned about some more small insects like birds. Yes, in that we saw the examples of emu, penguin and ostrich that because of the heaviness they can't fly. Yes, and then we saw some birds that they can fly. Yes, crow, parrot and pigeon, that birds can't, they can fly very well. There are also some birds that they can only swim. Yes, they swim in water. Yes, yes, these birds swim in water. Got it, children? So, children, in this way, we learned in that lesson about in this video about birds. I hope you got it, children. Now, what is your PH, children? You have to read the lesson properly. Yes, read the lesson properly and go through it. Till then, thank you.